Doyildine das salo. Oh hey, Yate, good afternoon, and welcome to Daybreak Warriors Navajo Word of the Day. Today's Navajo Word of the Day is going to be groundhog. To say groundhog in Navajo, you say tlon, tlon, groundhog, which also means prairie dog. Now today is National Groundhog Day. Dishje tlon bachao, khay des in beinelka. On February 2nd, if the groundhog sees his shadow, there will be 6 more weeks of winter. At sabiyaj yizilgibiye na kigoyol kalko, blombachaho yi tseko, t'ades asgo, hastkan demo na adle. If the groundhog does not see his shadow, spring will begin. Bachaho, t'ado yi tseko, h inalto. Now this morning the groundhog did not see his shadow, so spring will come early. Jidan b'chao t'aro yi tsada jinne akoshi ch'edolto. And that is today's Navajo word of the day. Tlon, tlon, groundhog, or prairie dog. Have a nice day.